Hey everyone, Mark Dawes here, and this is just to let you know that the March 2018 refresher is taking place on the 22nd of March 2018. That's the NFPS PI refresher for those of you who wish to retain your accreditation with us. And the following day, the 23rd of March, we're doing the handcuff refresher and also the soft cuff and the soft restraint kit refresher that day too. Now, just before you book on, we're also doing something else unique this year, and that is instead of having our conference at another time of the year, we're having the conference the day before the PI refresher. So on the 21st of March, which is the day before the NFPS PI refresher, we are holding our annual conference, and Eric Baskin, Lofty Wiseman, Peter Graham, and Barry Winbolt, to name but a few, are coming down, and we're going to run our one-day annual conference on the day before the NFPS PI refresher, which is the 21st of March. That's the conference day, and the refresher will be on the 22nd. So before you book on just for the refresher, if you look below this video, there is a link to the conference, and you can book on for the conference and the refresher if you wish to do so. And the only additional cost is the cost of your accommodation for the night before. All the other costs are on us. So it will save you having to travel somewhere else at another time of the year to attend our annual conference. We're bringing the conference along with the refresher this year. Now, for those of you who are thinking, well, what about us in September? Here's the added bonus. We're putting the conference on in September too, and if you go to the September refresher webpage, you will see the same deal. You'll have your NFPS PI refresher on one day, the handcuff and soft restraint kit refresher the day after, but the day before will be our annual conference. It'll be the same conference that we're putting on in March. So we don't expect you to travel up and down the country to attend a separate day. You just need to be at Lilleshall, where your refresher is going to be, the day before if you wish to attend the conference too. And the same speaker speaking in March will be speaking in September. So I hope that makes sense to you. As usual, if you have any questions, drop me a line, give me a call, happy to explain it to you. But we think this is a really cost-effective and efficient way of you getting the best out of your investment with us, to reaccredit, to get a conference thrown in as well, and to do everything at the same place. And obviously all your food and accommodation is included for all of the days that you actually attend. So if you book on the conference, for example, on the day before the refresher, and you book on your refresher too, then your accommodation overnight is covered, as is all your meals and accommodation, as would be if you booked on for the third day also. But it should all be explained underneath this video. But if you have any questions at all, give me a call, drop me a text, ping me an email, whichever's easiest for you. But also, please click on the image below about the conference, because it's probably going to be more cost effective for you to book on the conference. One thing I will say is we do have a limited number of accommodations on site. So first come, first served. Whoever books on first gets the option to book the accommodation at Lilleshall, and then those of you that will book on late, if the accommodations run out, will have to find your own accommodation arrangements elsewhere. Speak to you soon. Thanks for listening. Any questions? Get in touch.